Mechanical engineers, listen closely because what I'm about to share can completely change the direction of your career. Today, the CAE industry is transforming faster than ever. Simulation is no longer a support activity, it is becoming the core engine of how products are designed, tested, and of course, launched. But let me bring this closer to your daily reality. Maybe you are doing repetitive CAD work, copy paste, click mesh run, and wondering why your growth has slowed down. Maybe you have mastered a tool, but you still feel lost when someone asks, why did this part fail? Or what physics dominates the crash? Maybe you have applied for CA jobs, but you hear the same reply again looking for someone with domain knowledge. Need experience with crashworthiness, need multiphysics understanding. And deep inside, you know you are capable of more, but you just haven't been given the roadmap. Okay? Now, here's the truth, it's not your fault. Okay? College didn't teach you crash physics, they didn't teach you structural failure, energy flow, vehicle safety, and multiphysics coupling at all. Okay, so they taught you equations, but the industry wants engineering intelligence for sure. So let me give you a real example. A student came to me stuck as a CAD operator, earning some X amount per month. Bright kid, but no direction. 6 months later, with the right physics first approach, he moved into CAE and into tier 1 company, not because of software shortcuts, but because of the physics part. Okay, another engineer messaged me saying, I know hypermesh, I know little bit of LS Dyna, but when they asked me explain energy balance in a crash, I froze. This is the gap stopping thousands of engineers from growing, and yet here is the biggest opportunity for your career. The global CAE market is rising, we all know. It's 10 billion today and 18 billion by 2030. Okay, so crashworthiness multiphysics are becoming most in demand engineering courses in the world. Companies literally cannot find enough skill analysts who understand physics, domain, and simulation together. So if you have felt that I'm not growing enough, I want to do real engineering, I want a future proof career, or I want to move from operator to analyst, then this is your moment. Not next year, not someday, now. Start your transformation today. Visit eleno-elc.com and take the first step towards becoming a high value crashworthiness multiphysics analyst. Your future as engineer depends on the decisions you make today. Okay? Make them right. See you.